In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image transparent in Microsoft Excel. Now, this feature can be incredibly useful for those who want to layer images over each other or simply blend visuals delicately into their spreadsheets. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening up Microsoft Excel. As you know, Excel is typically thought of as a tool for numbers and data, but with a bit of creativity, it can be just as powerful with images. Once you've got Excel open and running, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll find the Insert tab there. This is where you begin to bring images into your spreadsheet. You'll see the Pictures option within the Insert tab. By clicking on it, you'll be given a drop-down. Choose this device if you're planning to upload an image that's stored locally on your computer. This will open up a pop-up window for you. Here, navigate through your folders to select the desired photo you want to insert. Once you've found the perfect image, highlight it and click on Insert. So the photo should now appear right in your Excel sheet. Now that you have your image on the spreadsheet, click on it to ensure it's selected. You'll notice an additional tab appears on the ribbon. That's the Picture Format tab. Go ahead and click on it. Within this tab, you'll see various formatting options tailored for images. You're going to focus on the transparency option. Clicking on transparency will present you with multiple predefined transparency options. They're quite handy for a quick fix if you're looking to achieve a common transparency level without much fuss. However, if you need more fine-tuned control over how transparent your image is, you can adjust it more precisely by percentage. To do this, once again, click on transparency and from there select picture transparency options. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a slider under picture transparency. Simply move this slider left or right to increase or decrease the transparency. On one end, the image will be maximally visible, and on the other, almost invisible, blending seamlessly with the spreadsheet background. Remember, adjusting transparency can help integrate images into your Excel workbook, enhancing readability while maintaining the visual style you like. It's a small trick, but one that can visually elevate your work, making your reports or data sheets not only more interesting, but often more professional. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now ready to incorporate transparent images in your Excel workbooks, effortlessly balancing form and function. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice, as mastering these skills only comes with consistent use.